विशिष्टता ये है कि आपने एक पिक्चर में काम किया है जो किसी और ने प्रोड्यूस किया, किसी और ने पैसा लगाया। आप तो स्टेटमेंट देके कहीं चले जाते हैं और उस पे थिएटर्स में पत्थर मारे जाते हैं, स्टेट्स में पिक्चरें बैन कर दी जाती हैं। तो नुकसान एक आदमी के स्टेटमेंट का दूसरे को होता है, तो वो डरता है कि मेरी वजह से कहीं 10 आदमियों को नुकसान ना हो जाए। लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में महेश भट्ट, स्वरा भास्कर जैसे लोग हैं जो सर हथेली पे लेके घूमते हैं। तो मैं स्वरा भास्कर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो इस सवाल करे जो पूछना चाहती है।
Hello ma'am. Hello ma'am, my name is Swara Bhaskar. I am an actor from the Hindi film industry along with many of my colleagues here. Allow me to first say, and I'm sorry I'm a little excited because I admire your spirit, your grit deeply. Thank you. Thank you for Khala Hoyeche, Didi Rekhe Deche. We are all very grateful. As Mahesh sir said, you have shown us that no one is invincible, how many ever inches their chest may be and how much ever muscle power and money power they have. I completely agree with you that the resistance to authority and fascism or whatever we want to call it is all our burden. And I assure you ma'am that everyone in this room is doing their bit. There are many older illustrious people who've spent their lives on this, but allow me to take a minute to introduce you to some of the younger people who have risked their careers and their employment and very livelihood to keep resistance in their own small way alive. Munawar Farooqi is here. He has spent 1 month in jail. Stand up. So he spent a month in jail for a joke he didn't tell. While Raj is here, he runs a performance space that has been vandalized continuously for hosting people like Munawar, like Aditi Mittal, like Agrima Joshua, who was attacked. Rija Chadha is here, Kubra Seth is here, Arpita, Ashwini sir, Avinash ji, all of these people are working in the film industry, facing a lot of resistance to tell stories where what is happening in India will find a place. Fahad is an activist who has multiple FIRs on him. We are in a situation today, and I'm sorry I'm repeating what we all know, but it's a lived experience. We are in a situation today where for a common citizen like me, we either on one side, what are our options? What are we experiencing? On one side, there is the mob, completely unaccountable because the ruling dispensation has found a way to use the mob to its liking, and the police and the state seem to be completely okay with allowing that. On the other side, you have the state that uses arbitrary power and is distributing UAPA and sedition charges like it is prasad of a god we don't want to pray to but are forced to bow down to. This is our reality. I'm sorry I'm a little emotional. People ask why there is no Meryl Streep in India. There is no Meryl Streep in India because Meryl Streep could stand in front of the president-elect of her country and critique him in the harshest way and not a hair on her head was harmed. We are all unemployable today. All of us, going to jail is a reality. My father served in the Navy, he retired from the Navy, my mother is a professor. If I visit Tihar or the jail, Arthur Road jail here, it will seem like a family reunion. My friends are there, my teachers are there. The people we've studied are there. This is a crazy situation for a free democratic country. I hope that you will, in the process of your growth to national influence, I hope you will also be a voice for those people, the people who don't have the power, who are vulnerable but are still resisting. And that is our hope from you, ma'am, that you and people like you who are part of this, the opposition, when you all come to power, you all will make sure that the rule of law and the constitution are in place even if it is to your detriment. Because as somebody said here, there is nothing greater than the nation. And in this context, I have a small question, ma'am, because Sudha Bharadwaj ji has got bail today, but 8 others haven't. I have a small question. Ma'am, what is your take on the UAPA? And if you were to come to power at the national level, what would you do with draconian laws like the UAPA specifically? Thank you.
I think UAPA is not for civic society or the political or the common people. There are some laws in our country. It is because of the internal security and the security purpose and how to protect the country from the external this threat. But now it is misusing. It is misusing like anything. Even there are so many agencies, though I don't have any personal grudge. But if anything, anybody raise Certainly there will be income tax rate, or CBI, or ED, or UAPA, or so many things. I don't agree with them. And UAPA, even in my state, it's very rare. My chief secretary is here. How many UAPA we have given? Huh? We don't remember. Even do you know Chhatradhar Mahato is an activist, Bedaji knows. So he was in jail. I released him. Now they have given another case, UAPA from Jharkhand. And बेचारा उसका परिवार का देखने का कोई नहीं है. मैंने उसको लड़का को नौकरी दिया, उसको बीवी को नौकरी दिया. How we are helping them? And we have relieved already more than 550 people who were in jail, life sentenced. And I will be happy to do for all. And UAPA, it is for particular purpose, not for, you know how I fought like Tada? I tendered my resignation also for Tada. That's why when Sanjay Dutt was alive, he used to visit my house every time. He used to visit 2-3 places. One Mother Teresa, one Makali temple, and my house. Compulsory. It was his compulsion to come. But Tada was withdrawn. So I can assure you that if BJP go out and we have any opportunity, I can tell you there will be no drastic law which can be used against the people. We want free movement. Then you can criticize me like anything. I will be very happy to do it. Sometimes the criticism gives us a light. The constructive criticism, it shown us the way. But খেলা হয়ে গেছে না, খেলা হবে আবার। খেলা হবে, and 24 it is a year marking for খেলা হবে. And that's why you are moving here and there. Whoever is powerful, that place, let them fight. I have no problem. My one strategy. Whoever is powerful, trying to do something and with determination, devotion, let them fight there. But you are not doing anything, so you will not allow me to do anything. That is also not. Politics, there should not be any double standard games or double standard politics. We must follow a uniform policy. Thank you so much. Why don't you join politics? Very tough ladies and strong ladies.